The following segment is sponsored by Amazon. Did you know that 1 in 3 shoppers have a smaller budget this year? Nancy Dalton is here from Amazon to share how we can find discounts and make shopping more affordable. Welcome to the show, Nancy.
Thank you for having me, Kami. I'm really excited to be with you today.
Well, let's just get started. Amazon's one of my favorites, so I can't wait to hear what you have to say. What is Amazon Access and how can customers take advantage of its offerings?
Absolutely. Amazon Access is the team at Amazon that develops products and services to make our customers' shopping experience easier and more affordable. And so we've been traveling across the country, speaking to customers to understand their needs and to use their insight as a means to develop these programs that meet them where they are. And so one of the ways that we've done that is that we have launched an Amazon Access Hub. It's a centralized hub where customers can explore ways to save through our key signature programs. And those programs are the Payment with Snap EBT, where if your listeners have a EBT card, they can enroll and shop eligible groceries. They can shop these pantry staples through Amazon.com. They can shop produce with Whole Foods and Amazon Fresh. And another program that we offer is Prime Access. All the benefits of Prime at 50% off for your listeners who may be receiving government assistance programs that qualify. So they could be receiving Medicaid, or perhaps their children are enrolled in the free and reduced lunch program. And finally, we have our Amazon Access discounts. And so this program is relatively new, and your listeners can get 15 to 20% off of everyday essential items.
Well, Amazon can do it all. My son thinks that Amazon will deliver anything, and you know what? He is so right. How does Amazon Access helping low-income customers? You kind of mentioned a little bit, but how can they save even more this holiday season with Amazon?
You know, Amazon Access is really rooted in the belief that we want to be there for our customers at the time that they need us most. And for many of these customers, the holiday season is just that. We're living at a time where people just simply can't afford to leave money on the table. And in fact, a recent study at Profitero talks about Amazon's prices on everyday essentials and how those are actually 6% less. And that same study talked about top gift items, where our prices are 9% less than many of our competitors. On some of the things that you see even on this table, everything on this table is under $50. We have a lot of our Black Friday week and also Cyber Monday deals that are starting. And you can tell your listeners, I can tell your listeners that they can access millions of deals across 35 different categories for things like the household must-have items, toys that you see over here, and even, of course, those holiday meal givings that everyone needs as we sit around the table during this season. So we really want to ensure that customers know where they can find these deals and take advantage of them.
That's right. You see, it's Amazon.com, EBT. Nancy, thank you. And Amazon, you have us covered this holiday season. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you so much for having me. Happy holidays, Kami.